Hello. We are going to learn about the riddles and what do we mean by riddles? A riddle is a short saying intended to make one use his wits in unraveling and revealing the hidden meaning. In a riddle, the listener is faced with that question or elusive sentence referring to something else which they must try to figure out. Riddles riddles are told a prelude to telling of stories. They cannot they cannot be told in between stories. We are going to look at the function of the riddles. Environmental education riddles stem from observation and comprehension of the environment. Each community uses the objects within its environment. The first function of the riddle, my camel is the shortest, but it's the treat the top. My camel is the shortest, but it's at a treetop. That means that is the bad. The next one, when I slaughter my cow, I don't throw away anything. That is, I eat everything including the bones. That is the coconut. The third one, the third example, function of the riddle, my house has no door. That is the egg. Those are the examples of the riddles that are under environmental education. And language training. How many wheels does a car have? How many wheels does a car have? That is 5. A question you cannot answer. Yes. Are you asleep? The two-legged sitting on the four-legged waiting for the four-legged. A bird on a cow waiting for a chick. Cultural norms. I have a wife, everybody she has a beard. That is the maize plant. The dirty Fatuma. That is the broom. My daughter, my daughter who leaves hungry and return full. That is the water pot. My daughter has my daughter has an eye on the head. That is the needle. The colorful Agnes. That is the chameleon. The next one is entertainment. The pearl-headed man has entered red. That is the ugali. The white lady is in the office. That is the jiga. My father's little hill which is easily destroyed. That is the porridge. Magire walks as if he were proud wagon. Shili, 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 Shileki, shigi. That is the wind. The next one is record of change. These are the record, the changes that have taken place in the society. The first example, my train is running in the field. That is a centipede. On arrival at the station, wash out date. That is the train. A little chap who plays the typewriter. That is the tank. We are going to the classification of riddles. Classification of riddles. The first one is riddles on people. The white lady is in the office. That is the trigger. Passed when Mumia's wives were quarreling with a bat. The next one is cultural objects. A small cot full of blood. A tick. When I beat my child, people dance. That is a drum. Natural phenomena. What tree has only one twin? That is a sisal. A meeting under a rock. That is the bird. The next one is domestic animals. What, why have they taken a few for grazing and left so many resting? It's because the ship's dropping. My white mouth the cow's hair by old toothbrush. Parts of the body. A small bush inhabited by animals. That's the head. Go round one side of the mountain while go round the other, but we shall never meet. This is the ear. The next one are plants. What tree has only one twin? That is the sisal. Past when Mumia's wives were pregnant, that is the millet seed. Modern technology. The saloon car carrying white only, that is the Kako iron. How many wheels does a car have? Five. Parts. Parts when Mumia's wives were quarreling, that is the wifer birds. The last one is waste product. Cut a tree and left it steaming. That is a human waste. It steams, but it's not lit. That is the fresh cow dung. The last one is the interrogative riddles. When we say interrogative riddles, these are the riddles that are in the form of questions. For example, we are going to give the example of the riddles or the riddles that are interrogative. What tree what tree has why have they taken a few for grazing and left so many resting? It's because they are ships dropping. Yes, that's the end of our lesson. Thank you.